Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Saif Alexandra and I am the adjudicator from the debate video with the motion. This house believes that Indonesia should significantly tax residential properties that are left vacant or unoccupied. This debate was between four teams. First, Universitas Surabaya as opening government, Universitas Kristen Indonesia as opening opposition, Universitas Katolik Atmajaya Jakarta as closing government, and the last is Universitas Brawijaya as closing opposition. I will now present my adjudication, including the ranking, justification, and feedback for each team. After watching the debate and carefully considering matter, manner, and method, here is my ranking. First place is closing opposition, Universitas Brawijaya. Second place is opening opposition, Universitas Kristen Indonesia. Third place is opening government, Universitas Surabaya. Fourth place is closing government, Universitas Katolik Atmajaya Jakarta. I place closing opposition in first because they provided a very strategic extension that shifted the debate. They argued that taxing vacant properties could severely harm economic flexibility for middle-class families who may leave properties vacant temporarily due to work, assignment, family reason, or property market fluctuation. They introduced nuanced examples, such as workers being relocated to other cities and needing to leave homes empty for months, which added real-life context missing from earlier speeches. Moreover, their speakers were confident, fluent, and persuasive. They directly engaged with the government bench arguments and successfully differentiated their case as an extension rather than repeating points. Their method was strong with clear structure and good time management. I rank opening opposition second because they set up the core opposition stance well. They argued that imposing significant taxes on vacant properties could discourage investment and worsen Indonesia's housing market stability. Their first speaker effectively rebutted OG claim that taxation would solve housing shortage, suggesting instead that the problem lies in systemic urban planning issues and affordable housing supply. The team showed strong engagement and directly tackled the government narrative. However, their speeches were sometimes slightly repetitive and some arguments could have been explained with clearer examples. Still, they fulfilled their role well, contributing significant matter to the debate. I place opening government in third. They presented solid arguments about why taxing vacant homes could discourage speculative property investment and release more housing units into the market, helping lower income families. Their arguments were logical, with possible harms was somewhat limited. They underestimated practical concerns like enforcement, definition of vacancy, and unintended economic consequences. Their speeches, their speech were fluent and confident, but their method could have been stronger in anticipating opposition argument. Finally, closing government is in fourth place. They attempt to extend the government case by discussing environmental benefits and urban planning efficiency if vacant properties are taxed. However, their arguments were underdeveloped and quite generic. The team struggled to produce significant new matter and repeated some OG arguments instead of offering a clear extension. Their manner was polite and fluent, but lacked the assertiveness and engagement needed in a closing half. Method-wise, transition between speakers were sometimes abrupt, making the structure less clear. So next, I will give feedback for each team. First, for closing opposition, Universitas Brawijaya. They have excellent strategic extension with unique perspective, and then very clear examples that connected directly to real-life Indonesian context. So maybe I will suggest like they have slowed down slightly in delivery to make complex arguments easier to follow, and then emphasize summary impact more strongly in the last speech. And then I will give feedback for opening opposition Universitas Kristen Indonesia. They have strong engagement and good direct rebuttals to the government case, and then fluent and persuasive speaking styles. Maybe they have avoided repetition by organizing argument text more clearly, and then include more concrete data or real examples to strengthen points. And the next, opening government Universitas Surabaya. Logical framing of why taxation could reduce housing speculation. Then their speeches are clear and confident delivery. Maybe they have to anticipate more practical challenges and possible negative impacts, and then work on linking arguments back to impacts on the motion in summaries. The next, I will give feedback for Universitas Katolik Atmajaya Jakarta as opening government. Attempt to bring in new angles like environmental benefits. The speakers maintained polite and respectful manner. Maybe they have focused on bringing truly new extension material, not repetition, and then they have to improve transition and speech organization for better clarity. Okay, I think that's conclude my adjudication for this debate. Congratulations to all teams for your hard work and effort. Thank you for listening, and I wish you all the best in your future debates. Thank you.